Okay, what are perfect substitutes? So explain by taking an example of a utility function. So perfect substitutes. So what are those kind of goods? For example, the goods like Coke in Pepsi. These two might be perfect substitutes for some of persons. Like, okay, you go to a market and in case the Coke is not available, you'll say, okay, give me Pepsi. Or if Pepsi is not available, you'll say, okay, give me Coke. So these are perfectly substitutable goods in your psyche. So these are perfect substitutes. Okay. So 1 unit of Coke will be perfectly substitutable to 1 unit of Pepsi. Or in your mind, somebody would say this, that no, 2 units of Pepsi would rather actually substitute 1 unit of Coke for me. So that is also possible. So there could be different units which you can put out here. There could be different units like alpha and beta out here which you can put. Okay, let's take up a simple example in which utility function is, say, u is equal to x plus y. Okay, now in this case x is Coke and y is Pepsi. So this is the kind of utility function that we have. And so in case if we want to show it on a diagram, how exactly we'll show this, that like this. And so as you guys already noticed that in order to draw an indifference curve, you have to keep utility constant. So suppose if our utility is equal to 5. So what are the different points for x and y which you can take? Say 5, 0, 0, 5, 4, 1, 1, 4, and so on and so forth. So suppose this is y, this is x, this is 5 here, this is 5 here, and just join them by line. Okay, I'm sorry, this is like this. Say this is 5, okay, and this is 5. So this is your utility function u equals to x plus y. Okay, this is your utility function u equals to x plus y. So, and this shows us that x and y, they are perfectly substitutable in the ratio 1:1. Okay, this particular example. Now other thing which you also know this, that you can even find out the MRS of this utility function. So MRS for perfect substitute would be del u by del x upon del u by del y. Okay, so that is equal to what is del u by del x equals to 1. What is del u by del y equal to 1? And you just put minus sign there, so it means this, and which justify the negative slope of this indifference curve. So hence these are perfect substitutes. Okay, we can have an example in which we might be asked to find out Marshall and demand functions for perfect substitute. That is a topic which will be taken care of in the other topic.